finally here. I got my package from SEHT Hair and I can't wait to try it. SEHT Hair is a new product launched by a YouTuber. Her name is Sion. I will not try and chop her surname up or her last name up, but she actually came to my attention a few years ago with her videos, not about natural hair, but about growing her processed hair long. So she had relaxed hair, chemically processed hair, whatever you call it in your region of the world, and she had long hair, and then she cut all that hair off, good hair, healthy hair, cut it all off to go natural. Now her hair in 5 years grew so long that I was impressed by the product that she said she was developing, because she's a pharmacist. Did she say I think she said she's a pharmacist, and then she did some research on hair, and she has a lot of knowledge about hair over the years, and she went to school and studied and all of that jazz. So she formulated her own products. At the time when she did the YouTube video, she didn't even launch a product as yet. She just mentioned formulating the product, and all it was a shampoo and a conditioner. Now what piqued my interest about the product, the conditioner, not the shampoo, is that she said it's both a conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. So basically she's saying when you condition your hair with her conditioner in the shower, you don't have to rinse all of it out, because it's also a leave-in conditioner. I got the pre-order. Everything came up to almost $60 including shipping, so I just got one bottle of shampoo, one conditioner, and the shipping. And I was on my way out yesterday and I saw it. I was wondering, I was like, I didn't buy anything. Who sent me something? Is this a scam? And then I looked at the sender and it said SEHT Hair. So we're here now. If this is your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. For the usual viewers and visitors, welcome back. Also, if this is your first time here, my name is Johanna and this is Johanna's Hair. This channel is all about hair, my hair. That's how I started this channel. If you look back to the very first YouTube video that is hair on the channel, it's about my hair. That's what I speak about mostly on this channel. Over the years I did make videos about other things, but then one day I sat down and I was like, you know, I should really niche down to talking about hair, because that's mostly what I do and talk about on this channel. So if you're interested in watching me on my hair journey of growing my hair long as a black woman who is natural, who is not known for having long hair naturally, connect with me here. Subscribe to the channel. Let's do some opening. I'm actually going to wash my hair right now, and I didn't want to miss the opportunity to film this, so I'm just doing it now. This is the packaging, very basic, nothing fancy or over the top, just some paper. Seems to have some leak in here. I don't know if it's from the product, or I think the box got wet, because the box has some little creases, and it was raining yesterday when it got delivered. Okay, so we have empty box. Packaging isn't anything spectacular. It's very simple. She's a very simple person, and her packaging is also very simple. We have a note here, and let me see what the note has. Thank you so much, blah blah blah, the usual. Okay, so nothing spectacular there. So let's go for the scent. Her things are hypoallergenic because she is allergic to many things. I'm going to touch on that in the future. But that is one thing that drew me. Another thing that drew me to buying this product is because it is hypoallergenic. So it is scent free also. This hardly has any scent. It has little to no scent, literally. That's the shampoo. So it says hydrating, nourish and purify, rich, not less, moisturizing, anti-breakage shampoo. Dermatologist tested, vegan, fragrance free. Okay, let's see what the ingredients is. Because I was curious about the ingredients. Alright, so the ingredients are not that long. I won't proceed to try and repeat these words. But what I really want to read is the directions. It says wet hair, lather, rinse, follow with conditioner. It doesn't say rinse twice, thrice, whatever. I guess you just, not rinse. It doesn't say wash twice, thrice, whatever. I guess you just wash it whenever or however many times you need to wash it. Scientifically proven to reduce breakage by 56% versus traditional shampoo. Fully cleanses without stripping or tangling. Hydrating, nourishing, removes all buildup from hair and scalp. This is another reason why I wanted to try it. They said it's very important. A lot of people who are black that grow their hair long, one of the things that they always emphasize on is cleansing the scalp. Alright, so that's a cleanser also. Now let's move on to the conditioner. The conditioner says the same thing on the front, basically like the shampoo. The directions for uses may be used as rinse off conditioner, leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, and detangler. So that's interesting. So this is more scent free than the shampoo. I can smell absolutely nothing with this conditioner. This is something. It has avocado oil and some other stuff that I won't proceed to read right now. It says dramatically increases hair care and ease with intense slip. Now I'm big on slip when it comes to both shampoo and conditioner. Currently the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using is the fortifying shampoo. This is what I currently use, and this is the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength and Length System Fortifying Conditioner and Shampoo. Very good. Very, very, very good products. I recently uploaded a video about my hair growth journey and that I overcome shedding, but now I'm experiencing postpartum shedding. So I'm excited to see what my hair does after I'm done breastfeeding and past this postpartum phase. So now let's feel what these feel like. I am not going to film. This feels pretty basic, normal. I'm not going to film while I wash my hair. I'll have to do like a part 2 review of this video. This is an unboxing and first impression of what the product looks like, and then I'll have to do a review on the wash day. And it feels normal. The shampoo doesn't feel extra, like it has any extra slip or anything special about the slip. So I'm anxious to try this. What I will do, I will go wash my hair and I'll come right back in this same video and I'll tell you what the experience is like though. I washed and conditioned my hair. The conditioner is still in my hair and I had it in for a few hours. First things first, it is very light, both shampoo and conditioner. are very, very light. I even made a video on the channel about how to use conditioner for fine hair. My hair is very fine, so I'm happy that the product is not weighing down my hair. Now I'm combing out my hair. I'm just gonna comb out my hair. I'm actually detangling my hair with my shampoo comb to see how that works. And the slip is okay. I thought the slip would have been like phenomenal, like, you know, like slippery. But it works, you know. And I always wash my hair when it's detangled. I don't know about you, but for me, I have to ensure that my hair is detangled before I wash it, or else it's gonna be a disaster. I don't want to compare it to any other shampoo, but the slip is okay. It's not like miraculous, or I don't know. I don't feel anything jumping out at me when it comes to the slip. But when I wash my hair with shampoo, I noticed that, and I've never experienced this with a shampoo before, even if the shampoo has slip. When I apply the shampoo to my strands, a little slip is there. It's not as much slip as I thought it would have been, but as I'm washing it out of my hair, it has a lot of slip. It's kind of weird. It's like the slip chips in when you're actually washing the shampoo out of your hair. We have slip, but it's not anything to write home about. You could see the comb is gliding through my hair very easily. I usually finger detangle my hair when I'm washing, both with shampoo and conditioner in the shower. So by the time I put the conditioner in, or deep conditioner, and I steam my hair, or I leave it to set for a few minutes or hours, by the time I'm ready to detangle my hair with a comb, it's usually gliding through my hair anyhow. So this is nothing new for me, even if I use my regular shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo doesn't have, while you're using the shampoo to wash, it has absolutely no scent in it. But the conditioner, I don't know if that's how jojoba oil smells, because I think I read jojoba oil is in the conditioner, in the ingredients, when I read the ingredients. But the conditioner, it's, I don't know how, the conditioner smells like puke. It smells like that subtle pukey scent that you would have when you vomit. It's kind of weird, and I was trying to pick up what that scent was. That's exactly what it smells like vomit, honestly. And I don't mean to be disrespectful. I'm not dissing Sion or anything. I'm just being honest and telling you what my experience is like. As for the shedding, my shedding is different because I'm going through postpartum shedding, which has eased up a lot. So while I was in the shower, I did realize I did notice less shedding than when I use my regular conditioner for now that I'm going through my postpartum hair shedding phase. And I did notice that less hair was on the bathroom floor, and that's a good thing. But now that I'm combing my hair out, um some hair is still coming out. A lot of times when I wash and shampoo my hair, the shedding stops by the time I would have washed my hair and applied the conditioner. I was expecting not to see any shedding, but as I said, I'm going through a postpartum hair shedding phase, so I really won't hold that against them. But the slip could have honestly been better. It's not like slip, 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 slip. It's okay, honestly. Um, I have tingly scalp, like my scalp tingles very easily. Let's say I'm deep conditioning with a conditioner or any deep conditioner, and I leave it in there for a few hours I would feel that tingliness in my scalp, and I do feel that with the conditioner. And that's surprising because she said that her conditioner could work as a washout conditioner or leave-in conditioner. So I know that this is a lot for a leave-in conditioner. Like, you won't oversaturate your hair like this if you are using a leave-in conditioner. But I was expecting not to feel any tingles in my scalp, as though I need to wash this out. But on another day, I'll use it as a leave-in conditioner and see how it fares. If my hair dries and it feels moisturized, or it's going to feel dry all the same, that's for another review video. As I said, I'm going to come back and give this a second review, because I'm not going to do a review in its totality today. Honestly, I get better slip and detangling experience with my conditioner, with my usual conditioner. That is the truth. And those were one of the things I purchased this product for, to see what the slip would be like. And it's guys, it's not as slippery as I would have expected it to be. I thought it would have been like slippery, like the comb is falling off my hair slippery. And I detangled my hair. So I'm wondering how that would work for someone who hair is not detangled like mine, and who had their hair in a protective style for months, because a lot of women do that. I'm wondering how it would work for them. But I wish it would have had more slip. Okay, definitely wished it would have had more slip. But it still has slip, and it's still workable. But I was expecting less hair shedding for my detangling phase with the conditioner, and I was also expecting more slip. But as I said, postpartum hair shedding, I'm not going to hold them against I'm not going to hold it against them for that. So what I'll do, I'll give this a few months, and then I'll come right back with a second review. And this is after my postpartum shedding has ended, and I'll revisit the product and I'll give a second review of SEHT Hair. If this is your first time to the channel, remember to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.